Hi guys, and welcome back. We are picking up where we left off Saturday. Today is Sunday, and today we are going to work on the countertops. Where we are right now, we are downstairs and we are going to get ready to just do some quick sanding. We need to sand the countertop, the edges and the top, and then we're gonna bring it in and top coat it. We're also going to do the backsplash, which is just going to be a 2x4 on the back, and I think it'll work nicely or tie in nicely with the butcher block. Now they did sell some backsplashes with the countertops, but they were $50, $47 I think on clearance, and a 2x4 is $5. So we elected to go with the $5 version. Let's get into today's project. All right, next we have to cut our, I lied, it's a 1x4 is what we're going to use for the backsplash. So I'm just going to cut this down the same length as the countertop. First, we have to get Lizzie out of the way. Perfect. Okay, let's sand the 1x4 and then we can put it all together. I have our Home Depot bag, and I have my handy dandy DeWalt screwdriver, and our next step is to put the backsplash on it. And no, husband, I am not gluing it and putting silicone on it. I can't believe it took me so long to figure out what he was trying to say at the hardware store. But if you remember the last vlog, we picked up these L brackets. I'm planning on putting one L bracket this way and then one this way and attaching it like that. So that is how I plan on attaching backsplash onto our butcher block countertop. So these are 3 inches. We have a 1x4, remember? So we're gonna put one this way, and then the other one this way. And that is gonna help stabilize our backsplash. And then yes, I'm gonna silicone right here in the front, just in case any water gets back there. But that will be after we seal it. I got 2 4-packs, so it should allow me to put 2, 4, 6, 8 braces on here. Pre-drill our holes, and we will attach our brackets. Okay, so I realized I only needed 1 L bracket here, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the far end. So I think that's all I'm gonna do. I think it's gonna hold it steady because it's gonna go up against the back of the wall. So I think just those 3 will do it for now. I'll put it in place and I'll see what I think, and if I need to put another L bracket, of course I will. But the next step guys, is to put it in place. So let's get Joe and see if we can't get this countertop in place. Here are our 2 laundry baskets that we made in the last video, and you can't trust my husband with anything because he's already filled it up. Arrgh. Watch your head. Oh my God.
You're good, dear.
I need to fix that, but until I fix that, it's going to look like that. I need to fix that until I fix it.
Good job.
It's gonna look like
It's nice and soft. You sanded it.
I did. Now I got to top it.
Good job.
All right, guys, the next step to our countertop process is to top coat it. And what do I want to use to top coat? Let's see what I've got in my stash. Okay, what do I've got in my stash? This is good for furniture, so wax is good for furniture, all that stuff. This is what we used on the TV cabinet, and although it works well and it still allows the grain, or still be able to feel the grain, not thinking that that's the one. So let's put that back. Flat. I like flat on furniture. I don't know about the laundry room. I think I wanted to have a little bit more resilience, so I'm not going to do flat. Let's see. This is just if you want to do like chairs or something and you can't get into all those nooks and crannies. This is really good for that. Flat out flat, again, for furniture. Okay, so satin is going to be our next best thing. And here is some stir sticks that I stirred with. Trick for you guys, if you happen to refinish furniture and you have an abundance of products like I do, I always keep the stir sticks that I stir it with so I can see in times like these of what I need. So this is what this looks like. An oil and urethane top coat. It's a bit of a stinky mess, but oil and urethane, it is going to be water resistant. This is water-based, high-performance satin. This is what that looks like. I'm feeling these stir sticks, and this feels a little bit more smoother than this one. See the difference? And also see the color too. The urethane will turn your wood, or it will tinge your wood a little bit more orange or yellow tone. But see the difference of the two? This is just a plain old popsicle stick, and this is the oil and urethane, and this is just a water-based top coat. So let's hold it like this. So you see the difference. This one's going to deepen the wood, and I don't think that's what I want. Excuse the laundry. I think I'm going to go with this one. Let's do this one. So I'm really not going for a beachy vibe in here. I am going for a natural vibe in here, and I love the color of this wood, and I don't want to tone it, and I don't want to stain it. So we're just going to top coat it. It's going to deepen slightly, but not a lot, and that's what I want. So let's put this on here, and oh, I might need more. No, I think this will do it. Ooh, before we do this, we have to attach this to here. So let's get our corner brackets, shall we? So if you remember our trip to Home Depot, we got these corner braces, these 1 1/2 inch, and I'm just gonna put them like a couple of places. We don't need to do overkill. We just need to attach the top to the bottom. So don't mind me while I brace our countertop. All right, all done. Next step, since we attached that, is to take a tack cloth, which feels like a very sticky cloth, and we're going to get all the dust off, and then we are going to top coat. Okay, some nursing humor for you. So all my nursing friends out there, tack cloth reminds me of the Vaseline gauze or 04. That's what this, every time I undo this, this is what it feels like to me. Sorry, nursing thing. Ugh. I gotta wash my sticky hands. So if you've never seen General Finishes high performance satin top coat, it goes on milky, but it does dry really clear. So don't worry if you pop a can and you see that it's like like this. It's supposed to be that way. It's okay. And you guys are gonna probably send me all kinds of emails when you see how I top coat. No judgments. But I'm gonna pour it on and wipe it off. Okay, no emails about this. This is how I top coat, and it works out well for me. I use these brushes. These are from Artist Loft, so they're from Michael's, and they're just really thin and just really soft. That's how I do it. Okay, no judgments. And that's how I top coat really, really fast. That is how I top coat really, really fast. It works the best for me with this brush, and I just kind of feel underneath the brush where there's maybe a little bit too much product, and I just kind of smooth it on. I told you guys are gonna freak when I show you how I do this. And it's done. It's that fast. We just got to do the back splash now and let it dry. Do that wet sand and then do one more coat. And then I think I might do 3 coats. All right, guys, this is where I leave you. I'm going to put probably 2 more coats on this off camera, but that's the last thing we have to do. And then we are going to decorate this laundry room, and I will show you the reveal in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video when I show you this room all done.